In this video, I will show you what you can do to fix Discord gray screen. So let's go with the fix. First, you need to exit Discord completely. To do that, click on this arrow in System Tray. Find Discord. Right-click on its icon and select Quit Discord. Or you can right-click on Taskbar and select Task Manager. In Processes tab, find Discord, right-click on it, and select End Task. Next, right-click on Start and select Run. Here type %appdata, and hit Enter. Here, find Discord folder. Right-click on it and select Delete. And you are done. Launch your Discord after this, and it should be working just fine. Don't forget to like the video if it helped, and consider to subscribe with the bell on for more useful guides. Until next time, stay safe and I'll see you all